Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a pudding. First, let's draw the top of the pudding, which is a cherry. And then we're gonna draw a oval for the top of the pudding. Draw a line on the left and one on the right, just a bit tilted, and then connect them in a curve. We've done with the pudding. Let's draw the saucer or the plate, a big oval. And next we're gonna draw the caramel topping at the top, and another wavy lines on the plate or saucer for the chocolate sauce. Now we're gonna draw the spoon. It's done and we are ready to color. For the cherry, it's red, and the top of the pudding, it's orange. The pudding is yellow. And the spoon is gray. The sauce at the bottom of the pudding is brown. And finally, we are done. What do you think? It looks so yummy, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.